Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making Rotel pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are a 1 pound box of corkscrew pasta or the pasta of your choice, 2 10-ounce cans of Rotel, 32 ounces of the block Velveeta cheese, and you want to cube it, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 of a medium onion diced, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. In a heated pan, you want to add in your olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. We're going to add in our onions. You want to saute that for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add in your minced garlic. You want to saute that for 1 minute. Now you can add in your ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and break that down. You want to mix it well with the onion and garlic. Now we're going to add in our seasoning, our adobo all-purpose seasoning, our garlic powder, our onion powder, and our ground black pepper. Go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And you want to continue to cook your ground beef until it's all the way brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, turn off your heat and you want to drain it of all excess grease. Now you want to get your slow cooker and we're going to put our ground beef in. Next, you want to add in your Velveeta cheese. We're also going to add in our block of cream cheese. And now we're going to add in our 2 cans of our Rotel. Okay guys, now all you want to do is give it just a little mix. Okay guys, so we're going to place our lid over top and we're going to place it on low for 1 to 2 hours. After the 1 hour mark, you want to go ahead and mix it. Okay guys, now to a pot of boiling water, you want to add a pinch of salt. We're going to add in our pasta. And we're going to cook it according to the package. Okay guys, so an hour has passed. You just want to go ahead and mix everything. Make sure all your cheese is nice and melted. Okay, you can place your lid back over top and allow it to continue to cook. Once your pasta is done cooking, you can go ahead and drain it of all the water. Okay guys, it's a little under 2 hours, but our cheese has melted all the way through. So now you can add in your pasta. And go ahead and mix it. so it's well combined. Okay guys, look how delicious this is. It smells so good. Okay guys, so here we have it, our slow cooker Rotel pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.